Hello everyone, this is Mash. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Cat.in. So today we will see another Swift feature that is aligned with end faces, and I have created this type of structure using Revolve tool. So what we have done is we have created this loop type structure, and we have created the center line, and using Revolve tool I have revolved this structure on 360 degree. Okay, make sure you have completed the loop in the sketch. Otherwise, if we created any single open loop, the revolve will fail if this center line is intersecting with this uh, our sketch. Okay, so make sure you have you have created a loop like this or anything that look like a cup like structure, so or bowl like structure. Okay, so we have created this structure. Now we I'm going for use this front plane or any plane which is intersecting it on the middle, and I'm going to create a loop or the handle type structure for this. So I'm starting for this SP line, and I'm click on one of the edges of this projection, and I'm going to create a handle like structure like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so we have created something like this, and if you want to change the position, you can change it using this control of this SP line. You can also make the tangent structures of using these handles. Okay, but we don't need like this. So we have created this sketch. Okay, this is the path where we were going to sweep the profile. So this is our path, and what we will do, if we have created a curve, we need to create a plane. So in order to create a plane, I will go for this plane tool. I will select this SP line, and I will select this end point so that the plane will be normal to at this point like this. And on this plane, I will create a rectangle type structure like this, where it is intersecting this, let's say this one. And to make it more smooth, I am going to use this fillet tool of okay, it is 1 mm, right? So I will select all these corners. So our loop or our profile is ready and our path is ready. So I'm going to do this sweep tool. Okay, let's just hide this plane tool like this. Okay, so we will go for this sweep structure. So this is our profile, sweep profile, and this is our path. So you can see it is actually making it cool, right? But the thing is, you can see the end of this handle. It is good handle, but the thing is, it is not merging with the end of this body of this cup surface. You can see from here also this area, right? So we have this tool called align with end faces in our sweep tool. We go for this option, and you can see it is showing is aligned with end faces. So let's just make the projection more clear to you. So we have some gap here and we have some gap here, right? So what we will do, let me change the loop. Right. So I'm going for this end align with end faces. And as soon as we click on it, you can see it changes the geometry. It is actually making it more realistic, right? And when we complete the sketch, what will happen? We will see the actual geometry. So this is what align with end faces tool does. Okay, so I hope you understand this one. And also, Merry Christmas. And in India, we have this Tulsi Pujan. So happy Tulsi Pujan, all of you. And also for Merry Christmas and a very happy New Year to all of you. Thank you very much. Keep supporting. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.